Good morning, children. So let us continue our chapter polynomial. I welcome all the 10th standard students to my class. In the previous class, I gave introduction about polynomial. You already studied in 9th standard. So you have studied about types of polynomial and classification of polynomial or types of polynomial based on terms, that is monomial, binomial and trinomial. So another classification also you have learned, the polynomial is classified based on the degrees. So that is linear polynomial. Come on children, say linear polynomial. Say all of you, linear polynomial. Another one is quadratic polynomial. Okay children, polynomial. And the last one is the cubic polynomial. You have learned this many. This is very important. So there are three types of polynomial based on degree. What is this? Based on degrees. This is a based on degrees. One is linear polynomial, second one is quadratic polynomial, the third one is cubic polynomial. These three, other than this also you have learned about zero polynomial. So that value also k you have learned. So zero polynomial means the polynomial becomes zero. So you already learned from 6th standard about the graph also. In the graph you have learned about what is this? X axis, y axis. X axis and y axis you already learned. So related to this linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial, we make the meaning of geometrical meaning of zero of a polynomial. Based on these three, you have a small graph. That's all, very simple. In the examination also, they will ask you question about this graph, small graph. They will give the statement. You are supposed to draw it, that small figure. So I will send you the notes based on that, so you can do it. Okay, children? So now let us go for the one by one linear polynomial. What is that? Linear. In previous class I have made you to learn linear polynomial. That is the polynomial form is ax plus b, comma, a is not equal to 0. All of you pronounce it. Ax plus b, a is not equal to 0. Now we go for in the linear polynomial. There are two coordinates are there in the graph. There are two coordinates in the graph. One is x and y. You know, 5, 3 inside the bracket. That is a Cartesian coordinates. You have learned in the previous classes 8th and 9th. You have to remember. So in that, suppose you become a x and y. X, y. These are the two coordinates for the graph. So we have 5, 3, okay, x axis 5, y axis 3. Suppose 5, 0. So here is a 0. Only one x axis only is there. Y is not there. So this is the term like that only. Ax in the linear polynomial. Ax plus b, a is not equal to 0. Then y is equal to, look at the board children, ax plus b, when y becomes 0 is equal to ax plus b. Okay children? Then, so ax becomes 0. So now minus ax is equal to ax minus b. What is that? 1 minute children. So in your book also given ax is equal to, so ax is equal to 1 minute. Like that only. I will make correct. It is confusion. Okay. Ax. So here y is equal to ax plus b. It is a 0. Let it be ax plus b. Okay. So now ax is equal to minus b. X is equal to minus b by a. In the previous class, I made you to learn, children. In the previous class, I made you to learn. No confusion. I was correct. Considering and about and I have done. No need to worry. Some confusion will be there. So minus b is a what is that? Constant term. Constant term. Here only you see, children. Here only you see. This is a constant term. This is a coefficient. So this is a coefficient of x. So this ratio we require. But related to the graph. So always in linear polynomial become a straight line. straight line. So we don't do graph for this. Okay, children. This is given in your book. You go through it. So linear polynomial always you are getting a straight line. Suppose see here there is no any curve. This is a x-axis. So you are getting a point here only. A dash. No need to mention. So under the linear polynomial we are getting a graph straight line. Y become so x has a value, but y doesn't have a value. 0. Take for example, one example they have given. Y is equal to 2x plus 3, children. Y is equal to 2x plus 3. So now y become a 0. 2x plus 3 is remaining. Take 2x plus 3 this side. 2x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 by 2. Following, children? Following. Okay? X is equal to minus 3 by 2. So now, see, x-axis is minus 3 by 2. So y is 0. 0, children. This is x. This is y. See, x is minus 3 by 2, y is 0. Therefore, under the linear polynomial, we getting a curve straight line. Clear, children? What type of curve we are getting? Getting under the graph. So, we are getting under linear polynomial straight line. Repeat it, children. Under the linear polynomial straight line, we are getting. Okay, children, it is clear. It is related to geometrical meaning for the zero polynomial. So second one we go for quadratic polynomial. Now let us pass on to quadratic polynomial. Repeat all of you, children. Quadratic polynomial. It is also very easy. No need to worry. Here we are getting one new word, that is parabola. What is that? Call out parabola. What is this? Here you know quadratic polynomial is the second degree. That is the standard form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Got it, children? In the previous, what did you get? Ax plus b. This is a linear. This is a quadratic. This is a quadratic polynomial. For another graph, here we are getting 2 points minimum we are getting. 2 points minimum we are getting. So that a parabola. One is U shape. Another one is reverse of U shape. These two also we call it as parabola. parabola. This is a upwards. This is a downwards. Another graph. This is a positive. This is a negative. Got it, children? This is a quadratic polynomial. This quadratic polynomial, we are getting a parabola. Parabola is nothing but it is a curve in U shape and reverse U shape. Reverse of U shape. That is, I will show you now. Okay, that is given in your textbook. Now I will show you one by one graph. Now only I will show. Okay, so here the zeros of quadratic polynomial, you are getting a 2 point. Here also a is not equal to 0. Now the first case given in your textbook, I will show you. I just read out and explain. I won't write, children, on the board. The first case they have given the graph cuts x-axis. The graph cuts x-axis at two distinct points, A and A dash. Two distinct points separate. Distinct is nothing but separate. A and A dash. Now I will show you the graph. Look at the board. This is x-axis, children. This is a y-axis. X dash, y dash. See the graph you are getting like this. This is A, this is A dash. Look at here. This is a quadratic polynomial. There are 2 points are there, 2 zeros. This is 1 0. This is 1 0. This is 0 coordinate on x-axis. There are 2 zeros of children, A and A dash. This is a parabola. What is this, children? Parabola. Color, children. This is a parabola. So another one. See, look at the board. Another one. Look here. This is another graph. X and X dash, Y and Y dash. So here also, here see, here a reverse of U. This is A, this is A dash. This is also a parabola. This is the first case given in your textbook. See, one is parabola, A and A dash. How many zeros are there here? 2 zeros. Got it, children? 2 zeros. Here how many points zeros are there? 2. But it is a downwards, it is an upwards. This curve we call it as parabola. This is related to quadratic polynomial. Under the linear polynomial, you are getting a straight line. Under the quadratic polynomial, you are getting a minimum 2.2 zeros you are getting on x-axis. 0 polynomial. 2 zeros you are getting on x-axis. Okay, children? Next. Second case, I will read out, look into the book, all of the children. Case number 2. Case number 2. What they have given now? Case 2. The graph cuts the x-axis at exactly one point. See, they will give like this in the examination. You have to draw the graph. Children. That is why you have to read out the sentence and draw the graph. I will send you the notes. In notes also I have given the same thing. In the case 2, they have got out the graph cuts x-axis exactly 1 point. Now you forward 2 points. Now only 1 point it touches. How it is on x-axis? Look at the board, all of you. So here is the x-axis. Okay, x dash, y dash. So here is 0. So here a parabola, only 1 point A. Only 1 point A downwards. Okay, downwards. Now it is upwards. So here another point, x-axis and x dash follow children, y and y dash, zero coordinate, another curve is, so here like this, only one point, this is A. So look at the figure, both, this is a downward, this is a upward. This is also parabola, this is also parabola. This is x-axis, this is also x-axis. This is a quadratic polynomial. Hello children, this is a quadratic polynomial. Repeat children, this is a quadratic polynomial. Okay, so linear polynomial you have learned related to geometrical meaning. Quadratic polynomial you have learned related to geometric meaning for the zero polynomial. So next one, third case. In the third case, under the quadratic polynomial of zero polynomial, third case, look into book. I won't write. The graph is either above the x-axis or below the x-axis. The graph is above the x-axis and below the x-axis. Look at the board now. Once again you draw x-axis. Once again you draw y-axis. Okay. So what they have given now? Case third. Call out. Remember. Call out and remember. So above the x-axis, below the x-axis. See here. Above the x-axis. See here, above the x-axis. So there is no touch of the line. So below the x-axis. So see, there is no touch of the line. So then, what is the polynomial? There is no zero polynomial. If there is a point on the x-axis, so then only we can count it as zero. So you have learned 1 point, you have learned 2 points, but there is no touch of x-axis. So that is why. So what they have given statement you follow, then you draw the figure. Because last year in the examination they asked this question. Okay, so now touches a 2 point, touches a 1 point, there is no touch at all x-axis. Then there is no zero polynomial. 3 cases also I taught you. This is about quadratic polynomial. What is this? Quadratic polynomial. What is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus 0. A is not equal to 0. This is also completed. Now let us pass on to cubic polynomial. What is that? Cubic polynomial. Repeat all of you. Classification of linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial related to the geometrical meaning of zero polynomial. Now you have learned already linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial. Now we will go for cubic polynomial. That also I taught you in the previous class. Cubic means power should be, degree should be 3. So that what is the standard form? Ax cube is itself for cubic polynomial. So next, bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. This is the standard form cubic polynomial. Here minimum 3 points should be there because the degree is 3, no children. The previous one, quadratic case, only 2 points. So minimum, that is maybe 1, maybe 2. Understand? The linear is straight line. Linear. In the quadratic, you are learning the new word parabola. The curve itself we call it as parabola. Come to the cubic. Cubic, minimum 3 points should be there under the graph of x-axis. Graph of x-axis. Okay, that is the thing. Here, cubic polynomial will follow here number of points. So here they have given, look at the graph of x-axis, y-axis. I will draw one figure. See here, look at the board, all of you. I am drawing now. See here, one graph they have given. How many zeros are there? You look at that. So here, another figure I am giving. So here the y is y dash, x is x dash. So another figure also I have given here. Okay, so here see this is one point A dash, here A. So here see here how many zeros are there here? Only one zero is there. Only one because x-axis touches only one point. So here we see two points they have touched. So here two zeros. Children, here only one zero on the graph. So next another one I will give you graph. See, look at the board here. One more point. See here. A, B, C. See, 3 points. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. Here 3 zeros. So here is a cubic. Here is a cubic. Here is a 1. See here, only 1 zero. Here 2 zero. Quadratic. Here 1, 2, 3 points. 1, 2, 3 points. This is a cubic polynomial of the zero polynomial. Okay, like this, another 5 to 6 figures they have given in your textbook. You count and you write under that figure only. They ask you to find out how many zeros points are there on x-axis. Page number I think 9 or 10 they have given exercise. You go through children all this terminology. This is new for you because previous year you have not learned. So now graphical relation of a linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial I taught you in the very simple way. No need to worry about what I taught you that follow. I will send you the notes. Okay, you go through it. Let us continue. Sums only, no graph at all. Now division is there. That is Px is no. That is known as a polynomial. Gx is there, that is also polynomial. The terms, number of terms is varies one to one each other. Okay, so this is about the geometrical meaning of zero polynomial based on the degrees. So we talked about the graph in detail. I give you notes, you go through it. So later we will see. If you don't understand, you please come and contact. Okay, children. So thank you. Bye bye.